I'm Ramesh. I'm basically from Bangalore. So I got graduated in 2024 from HK College of Engineering in EC, Electronics and Communication Department. So during my engineering time, I was more interested into working with microcontroller and sensors. So after my graduation, I was looking for jobs for more than 6 months. Most of my friends got placement in Emertxe. So I heard that Emertxe is good for embedded systems. So I joined Emertxe. So in academics, basically they give you theoretical concepts, not much industrial level teaching. So at Emertxe, the things I knew was comparably very less when compared to Emertxe concepts because they were industrial level. So actually, theoretical concept is not industrial level. Doing project makes you to understand how you are implementing the theoretical concepts into a real-time scenario. So doing projects helps you to implement all the concepts you learned into a project, making it a full-fledged learning experience. So during my course, I had completed 8 projects, 2 projects on C, 1 on MC, and 1 on Linux, and 2 on DSA. So all the concepts which I learned during the Emertxe online class, I was not able to put it in our project. So using the project, I was now able to showcase whatever I learned in a real-time scenario. So it helped me during my placements. So most of the companies I was going to the final round but not selected in the final round. So recently I asked one of my faculties to help me with the preparation. So they gave me a schedule to prepare. So after 1 week, I got one more chance to attend an interview. So I cleared. Before I'd attended 9 interviews and 3 times LG Soft. And this is my last LG Soft interview. So there were actually 4 rounds. One was MCQ, the second was coding round, and 2 technical rounds. I started with online batch. So the course took somewhere around 8 months, including all the concepts. And for each and every module, they conducted the placement eligibility test. And for each and every module, you can attend mock interviews, which helps you to give you interview experience, how it will be. And for each and every company, you will have a placement training and class sessions conducted, which will be helping to crack the interviews. So take lots of mock interviews, which helps you to crack the interview in a better way because it's a face-to-face experience, which helps you to get secure a job through Emertxe. And even the more number of projects you're giving, the more experience and exposure you'll get.